Hi everyone, today I'm gonna do another project of my 100 Python project challenge, and in this project we will write a function that checks for letters in a text and shows number of them. I have a command here, and this is command is a dictionary and it shows English letters. That's why it's here. So instead of defining it in video, I predefined it. Now I will start and I will start by defining my function. I will name it leader repeat, and I'm not gonna take a parameter. I will use it in a function. Now I will take the text from user. So first I will start by getting our text and I will say enter the text. And I wanna add a backslash and after this, so I will add a line break here for look, so it looks more beautiful, it looks better. That's why I add a line break. Now I will use my letters dictionary here. Yep. Now I will check all the words in the text. So I will use a for loop and for a in letter. Sorry, I not letter text because I'm taking text as input. If a in our dictionary, I'm increasing value of this letter by 1. So letters a plus 1, not letter, it should be letters. Then I'm just printing our letter or dictionary. Now I will just call my function to see if it works, then I will explain everything again. And I just wanna say test here. And as you can see, it looks for all letters in my text. And if it's in my text, it increase number of that letter by 1, like I wanted. Let's try again with another word, for example. Repeat. And as you can see here, it works. Now I will explain everything again. First, we are defining our function. Then we are taking our text as an input and we are saying that enter the text. We are adding a line break for design. Then we are defining our dictionary. And as you can see, all of our letters starts from 0. So then we are creating a for loop, and for every letter in our text, we are looking this letter in our dictionary and we are increasing value of this letter by 1. Then we are printing this result. And we are calling our function here to see result. Yep, that's it. And with this project, I finished 10 of my 100 Python project challenge. So I guess I can say that 10% of projects is done. So we will meet again in the next project. See you later.